Hello, children. Welcome to day 5. Learn to read 7 words in a day. Here are the 7 words to learn. Read with me. Man, ten, den, keg, peg, leg, fed. Now let's begin by reading the letter sounds. E, e. Say it again, children. E. E is for egg. E, earthworm. E, enter. Remember the sound, children? E, t, t. Say it again, children. T is for time. T, toy. T, test. T, mm, mm. Say it again, children. Mm, mm is for mouse. Mm, mill. Mm, mat. Remember the sound? Mm. D, d. Say it again, children. D is for dig. D, doll. D, dog. D, k, k. Please repeat, children. K, k is for kangaroo. K, kid. K, krill. Remember the sound? K. P, p. Please repeat, children. P, p is for pole. P, paint. P, l, l. Please repeat, children. L, l is for lamp. L, lamp. L, lift. Remember the sound? L, f, f. Please repeat, children. F is for four. F, fish. F, fence. F. Let's read all the letter sounds. E, e. Mm, mm. T, t. D, d. K, k. P, p. L, l. F, f. Now let's read the sound of each letter. Then put them together to make a word. M, e, n. M, e, n. M, n. Men. Men. T, e, n. T, e, n. T, n. Ten. Ten. D, e, n. D, n. D, n. Den. Den. K, egg. K, egg. K, egg. Keg. Keg. P, egg. P, egg. P, egg. Peg. Peg. L, egg, l, egg, l, egg, leg, leg. F, ed, f, ed, f, ed, fed, fed. Now let's read again the 7 words that you have learned. Man, ten, then, keg, peg, leg, fed. Let's read again, children. Men, ten, then, keg, peg, leg, fed. Now it's your turn to read. Good job, children. See you on day 6.